Somewhere beneath the waves, a predator is reading your body before you even know it's there. Scientists say this creature can detect something invisible to the human eye, the exact moment fear takes hold. It isn't magic, it isn't myth. It's biology so advanced, it borders on science fiction. And by the end of this story, you'll never look at open water the same way again. Sharks have ruled the oceans for over 400 million years, long before trees existed on land. Their survival wasn't built on strength alone. It was built on senses no other predator possesses. Buried beneath their skin lies a network so sensitive, it can detect a single heartbeat from meters away. This hidden system is called the Ampullae of Lorenzini, and it may be the ocean's most feared secret weapon. Every living creature emits a faint electrical field, generated simply by muscles moving and a heart beating. Sharks can detect fields as weak as 5 billionths of a volt, a sensitivity beyond human imagination. When a fish panics, its muscles fire erratically and its heartbeat spikes, sending out a distress signal. To a shark, that signal isn't subtle. It's a flashing beacon in the dark, impossible to ignore. Divers have long whispered stories of sharks circling the moment someone's heartbeat begins to race. For decades, this was dismissed as folklore, until researchers decided to actually test it. In controlled experiments, scientists released weak electrical pulses mimicking a distressed heartbeat into shark-filled waters. The sharks reacted almost instantly, turning sharply toward the source before the pulse even finished. It wasn't scent, it wasn't sound. It was pure electrical instinct, hardwired over millions of years. But there's more. Sharks can also detect chemical changes released by a stressed, adrenaline-filled body. Sweat, faster breathing, and even subtle chemical shifts in blood can drift through water like an invisible trail. To a shark's nose, this trail can be detected from nearly a quarter-mile away. This is why experts warn, panicking in open water may be more dangerous than the shark itself. One 1970s Navy-funded study became the foundation of everything we now know about this eerie ability. Researchers wanted to know if wounded or frightened swimmers were truly more likely to attract sharks. What they discovered confirmed the fear. Sharks consistently targeted signals resembling distress over calm movement. It wasn't aggression, it wasn't malice. It was simply an ancient survival instinct. Find the weakest signal first. In nature, predators rarely chase strength. They are drawn to vulnerability, and sharks are true masters of it. This raises a chilling question. Could a calm heartbeat actually make you invisible to a shark? Marine biologists say yes. Controlled breathing and steady movement dramatically lower a shark's interest. It's not about being fearless. It's about hiding the biological proof that fear even exists. This single fact has changed how surf schools, lifeguards, and divers train people near shark territory. But here's the twist scientists didn't expect. Sharks can sense fear even before a person enters the water. Vibrations from a racing heartbeat can travel through docks, boats, and even shallow tide pools. In one documented case, a shark shadowed a boat for nearly an hour before a swimmer even entered the sea. When researchers reviewed the footage, they realized the shark had been reacting to fear long before contact. This discovery reshaped everything scientists believed about how predators perceive human emotion in the wild. The ocean, it turns out, is not silent. It's a stage where every heartbeat tells a story. Sharks aren't mindless killers chasing blood. They're finely tuned survivors, reading the world through fear itself. And somewhere beneath the surface right now, one of them may already be listening to a heartbeat none of us can hear. The ocean keeps its secrets well, but now you know one it rarely gives away. If stories like this pull you into the mystery of the deep, there's more waiting for you here. Subscribe to this channel and let the ocean's darkest secrets find their way to you next.